Listen, if you're on our For Life team, you already know that we've got the ultimate rock solid company, and with the integrity of the whole thing. I mean, what a track record in the last 12 years, record breaking. You already know that we've got the dream come true product technology, leading the way. The most important thing, we believe in the multi-billion dollar wellness and anti-aging industry. Great people, professionals, successful, and physicians doing our talking for us on CDs and DVDs and phone systems and printed materials and brochures, all the different tools, resources, incredible. So what is it for you and I to do to really get it going? We need the prospects, the people to look at these things. Okay, numbers, success is in the numbers, and then the law of averages kick in. Okay? I want to show you a way to capitalize on the one thing that can get you to the huge numbers, okay, through a system we have exclusively here called the EQUALIZER. Okay? I'm going to show you how to get our For Life information, okay, to 10,000 people a day. Okay? I'll show you how to do it just 5 days a week. Okay? Simply. And be able to do that in quickly, in a matter of a few minutes. Okay? Simple to do. You're going to actually see me do it right here. If you just copy, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, what I'm going to do right now, this will get you to these kind of numbers to be able to compete with anybody in the industry, whether it be full or part-time. So all I do to utilize this system called the EQUALIZER is I go to my computer, daytime, nighttime, whenever. I go up onto the internet and I go right to my EQUALIZER control panel. It has all my information here. It's self-explanatory. The video that you're basically listening to right now is posted there. Okay. I can come down here to my choices. In this phase 1 section, I have 6 different website choices that I can promote. I can click any of them open. One of them, let's say number 2, it's on Rio Vita. It has the videos, everything there. All these are personalized to you. All the information somebody would need to walk them right through, do your talking for you, and to get them signed right in. Okay? I could use that one. I can come back here and let's say I want to use the Energy Go Sticks. That's such a great attraction. Explains something everybody needs and how simple it is to get this type of energy. Promote the site does all the talking for you. Might look at this and decide that I want to utilize anti-aging. Okay? You can click that open. And it has audio and everything. I'll click that off and introduces everything for you. Does all the talking, gives a free gift away. We'll talk about that later, how valuable those are that you'd be offering here. I can pick whatever I want. Let's say we decide to pick today, I decide to pick number 1, splash page 1. All I do is come to the email box that's connected with it that promotes that website, click it open. I can choose any of the subject lines or I want to. I can even make my own, everything if I want, or I can just pick what's already there in one of the emails, and I'll hold my mouse button. Let's say I pick this last one, you can't afford not to accept this. Hold my left mouse button down at the beginning here, slide it right down to the end of that email, go up into my edit box, click copy, okay. Hit the back button, go back to my panel, scroll right down to my push button emailer, see it right here, click it. I get, then we'll log in. You'll have your own ID and everything. Go ahead and log in there. There's my emailer. I'm going to start on the right side. I'm going to load the email I just picked up by clicking my left mouse button into that box, going up to edit and clicking paste. See, it's all in there now. You see a scroll bar over here. See, at the bottom is a link. You always want to make sure you do this so the emailer knows, or the email knows where to send them. You're going to put your, click on there and put your user ID, which you'll have your own. I'll put mine in here. And the website that we're sending them to, remember it was splash page 1. And I'm going to scroll up to the top. I didn't need this email number 1 there. That was, I just picked it up, so we'll go ahead and get that out of there. This is my subject line. I want to pull it up here to the subject line, put my cursor to the beginning or the end, hold the left mouse button down, then hold your cursor button, your left mouse button down, and slide it right up here and just let it go. Drop it right in there. Put your name or whatever identification you want them to see on that email. I like using Eye Opener Network, that's our group, so that name gets out there. That side's done. All I do now is come over here and I click Browse. It opens up a folder on my desktop, has my leads in it that I'm going to use. I'm going to click on one of the leads lists. There's 5,000 in each one of these. Click Open. I'm not using first names, so I'm going to go ahead and put without titles, okay, and click Load. There they are. All 5,002, it says, of those emails now are ready. Loaded in. That's it, you guys. That's all it takes to send this these numbers out and approach that many people. Just hit send message and it's done. This now will run. You don't want to shut it off. You can minimize the screen if you want by up here and down into your tray and bring it if you want to see how far it's gone. See the scroll bar here on the right. You notice there's a white space here. You can actually see the scroll bar if you watch it for a little bit, move up. Pull that on down. Grab a hold of it, pull it down. Look to the left. You'll see how many emails have gone out at that point. It'll keep going, doing one after one, the other after the other after the other until they're done. Okay? It's as simple as that. Okay? Just doing what I just did, just to take the few minutes to do that. Okay? Do that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You'll have information as you're off doing whatever, okay, going out to 100,000 people a month, okay, with a push of a few buttons. That's all there is to it.